All right, earlier we were talking about a new survey that shows that 56% of people feel judged if they have to cough or sneeze in public. 55% say they feel a moment of panic when they feel that urge to sneeze. So we wanted your feedback.
Stephanie says, always have. I don't want to get others sick, nor do I want to get sick. But if it's allergies or something, what can you do?
Right? Andrea says, definitely. One day I was literally holding my breath at the checkout line because I was afraid to start hacking in front of them. Oh, there's nowhere you can go in the checkout line either.
No, you're stuck. And Jackie says, I coughed in a store. People looked at me and quickly walked away. I just had a tickle in my throat. Thank you all so much for that feedback. Of course, I mean, it's not what you want to feel when you're sneezing and coughing,
right,
but it's the sign of the times.